Guys, this video Super Saiyan 4 Goku versus Super Saiyan God Goku. Who could be win? Or if battle in Dragon Ball GT, Super Saiyan 4 Goku hard to beat Omega Shenlong. And Super Saiyan God Goku is stronger than Super Saiyan 4 Omega Shenlong. But the Kid Goku beat Omega Shenron and his Spirit Bomb. What's in GT? And Super Saiyan God Goku can beat Super Saiyan 4 Vegeta? That is the most question. And maybe, yeah, that's right. Super Saiyan God Goku can beat the CSG 4 Goku. And why? Because he said according to him, the power level of these gods, three gods, Goku is Super Saiyan God Goku is 56, 6. Super Lord Bills is 10, Whis is 15. I don't know what is meaning of that. 6 million, 6 billion, 6 zillion. I don't know, or I'm sure billion, the number of the SSG for Goku are. I'm seeing in the power level is 5 billion. 5 billion or million, yeah. And Lord Bills beat Super Saiyan God Goku. Lord Bills can beat Super Saiyan SG for Goku in a flick in his hand. Guys, this video, Lord Bills Super Saiyan God Goku versus SG for Goku. You enjoy this video and subscribe and like. Bye guys. Bye guys. Back again guys. Second opinion. I'm back in here guys. This video, Super Saiyan God Goku versus SG4 Goku. Second opinion. In end of Battle of God, in Battle of God, Lord CSG Goku back in CSG Goku. Oh, and Super Saiyan 4 Goku can beat CSG Goku. Boy, in Battle of Gods, you see CSG Goku has gone in back his normal in fight bills in under of the water in the earth. In Lord Bills beat Super Saiyan God Goku in his blast, and Goku has to and Goku is beaten by Lord Bills. And CSG 4 Goku has no chance to beat Super Saiyan God Goku. I'm saying to you guys, Super Saiyan God Goku is stronger than Super Saiyan 4 Goku. In my opinion, people said to me, CSG 4 Goku is stronger than CSG God. That's correct, but my opinion is CSG God Goku. Bye guys, this video, Super Saiyan God Goku versus CS4 Goku. Monkey versus God. Bye guys! Bye guys, and subscribe and like and comment below what your opinion. Bye guys, this video, Super Saiyan God Goku versus CS4 Goku. Next video, Omega Shenlong versus says G God Goku.